Hey, welcome back to SWG's woodworking channel. Today we're on a kind of a boring project, but a necessary project. I need some glue up blocks when I'm gluing up boards like this to keep them square with the clamps. And so I got this piece of whatever it is. It's like almost 3 inches by 1.5 inches, and I'm going to cut it in 26 inch. It'll be 26 inch in a 1/2 inch length. Then I got some of this other stuff I got for cheap, like $5. This piece is like 1 inch, but I'm going to cut like 2-inch strips out of it. And then this stuff's thinner, it's like 3/4. And I'll cut strips out of it, like 1-inch strips, maybe 1.5 inches. And the same with this one, but they're different. They're all different lengths, and they'll give me some nice straight square glue up blocks when I need to glue up cutting boards. All right, I'll let you watch kind of a boring project, but yeah, we'll see ya. Okay, we're over at the table saw. We're gonna cut these ones first. I think I'm gonna do I'll do 1.75 inch blocks. So I'll set you up here and you can watch. Okay, I'm gonna do these boards next. I think I'm gonna do them 1.5 inches. All right, well, there's some nice, good length glue blocks, nice and straight. You can use them either way. You can either go this way or this way. All right, see ya. All right, well, we finished this project, so I got these ones here. They're like, I know they're curved, but you can put them on the top of something. So for example, say you're gluing up these boards, you can put them on the top like this, and the bottom, and then it'll keep these boards square and flat. You wouldn't be able to use it. You wouldn't be able to use it like this. It'd be too curved. But you could go like this or like this. And use it for your blocking. So those are like 2 inches by, they're like 13/16 or something like that wide. So they're thick enough. So I got 4 of those. I got these 2 of these big ones, and they're like 1.5 inches by 2.5 is what I did. 1.5 inches by 2.5. Got 2 big ones like that. Got 4, and they're all like, this is like 26 inches long ish. All these are like 26 inches long. I got 4 of these ones. They're little ones. But 3 of these ones. 3 of these size. So they're like 1.5 inches by 3/4 ish. By like 24. I got 3 of these ones. Same 1.5 inches by 3/4. And they're like 30 inches long. And then I got these ones. They're like thicker, these 1 inch. I think I did these two 1 3/4, and they're like 36 inches long, and I got 4 of those. So that is a lot of good glue blocks. Keep them square, and they're small enough that they're portable. I have to make everything portable because I don't have any storage up here. I need to talk to them and see if I can get some storage. And so that'll be good. Good project done. I've been needing some good straight glue blocks. Now I need to mark them somehow. I don't know how I'm going to do that as glue blocks. And then, yeah. Thanks for watching this project, and on to the next one. Or finishing. We'll see. See ya.